Welcome to the video. My name is Bruce and this is my channel Ecom Kong, where I help beginners grow online businesses from scratch. I have a really good video for you guys because I'm going to be sharing with you a one product dropshipping store that's currently crushing it right now. I'm going to be sharing with you their winning product and show you exactly how you can get a store set up of your own using their methods. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. But before we get started, let me show you really quickly here what we're going to build in this video. This is going to be a high converting one product Shopify store that's modeled off of one that I found on social media. The name of the store that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is called Muscle Brush. And as you can see, they sell this 3-piece brush set that is an attachment that can be used with a drill to basically power scrub anything. And so when we look here at the website, we can see it's very simple. So this is the homepage. Up here, they have a banner that says 33% off plus free shipping. Now their main navigation menu just has a shipping page, track your order page, which is very helpful, keeps customers happy because they can go in and track their order. Contact us, frequently asked questions, and then scrolling down, you can see that they have a link to the product page. You can either add it to your cart right here from the homepage, or you could go ahead and select full details to go to the actual product page. Now scrolling down here on the homepage, you can see that they have some reviews, which they probably downloaded directly from Aliexpress, which I am going to show you exactly how to do. Scrolling down a little bit more, we can see they have a newsletter where you can put in your email to receive promotions and sales and whatnot in the future. Looking at the footer here, they have a refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service. And, this is a very simple website that is absolutely crushing it right now. So we're going to go ahead and check out the product page. Going to click full details. And the first thing that I noticed is that this is a very clean product page. And as you can see, they have very high quality images, and they kind of remind me of Amazon a bit with the all white background. Now, one thing that I would add is some lifestyle images that show what the product looks like as it's being used. Now, they have a very simple title that speaks to exactly what the product is. They have 56 5-star reviews, which starts to build the social proof for this product and for this website. They have a strike through on the price, indicating the sale that they mentioned in the announcement bar, 33% off plus free shipping. They also have the add to cart button. And one thing that I would add right underneath is an express checkout option using either PayPal or Apple Pay. And what this does, it adds the buy now button, which makes the purchasing experience a lot more simple for a customer coming to the website. And as you can see right underneath, they have this trust badge, which starts to build credibility for the site for new customers who haven't shopped here before. Scrolling down to the product description, they do a good job utilizing headlines, as well as the bullet points to talk about some of the product features and how it can help the customer in their day-to-day lives. I really like these images here that show the before and after after using the product. And I really like how they also added in the border that matches the color scheme on the website. Scrolling down a little bit more, they talk about what the purchase includes, so the customers know exactly what they're going to get. Again, they talk about a few more things like that, how the product can help them out. They have a satisfied 30-day money-back guarantee, and they're smart. They mentioned that there's no cordless drill included because, when customers see this image up here, they may think that a drill is included, which it is not. But that's an opportunity that I think that they're missing out on. I think one of the upsells that they should have on this website is this drill. And I'm going to go ahead and show you here in a little bit, one, how to create a site just like this yourself, as well as how to add in things like upsells. Scrolling down a little bit more here, you can see they have the photo reviews, which again helps to build that social proof on the website. And so again, this is just a very clean, high quality product page that's absolutely crushing it right now. Let's go ahead and check out the track your order page. So this, again, is a very seamless process. All a customer has to do is enter in their tracking number here, click track, and they will be given their tracking information for their order. The contact us page is available for customer support. And as you can see, they have an email address here, a phone number, and their physical address. Now, I suggest getting a PO box so that you don't have to put your actual address here. Moving on to frequently asked questions. This is another page that's built for customer support. So anytime somebody has a question, they come here and get a quick answer. Highly recommend that you put one of these on any store that you build. So now that we've gone through the website, I'm going to take you through step by step and show you exactly how you can build a store just like this one. But first, I'm going to show you how I found this store and how I found this product. So we're going to come over here to Google. We're going to search Facebook ads library. We're going to go ahead and click this link. And once the screen loads, we're going to select all ads, and then I'm going to search for the name of the company, which is Muscle Brush. So one day I was scrolling through Facebook on my phone, and I just happened to come across one of their ads. And as you can see, you can pretty much spy on all of their active ads using this tool. So we go ahead and click play right here. It'll show you the exact ads that they're running. It'll show you the ad copy. It'll also provide links to the product pages that they're sending you to. So that's a really cool tool. The Facebook Ads Library allows you to spy on your competitors' ads. Highly recommend it if you're looking, to do some product research to see what competitors are doing in the space that you're interested in. But now let's go ahead and get started building out our store. And so as you can see, I'm inside of my brand new Shopify dashboard. And if you want to follow along step by step, I'm going to have a link in the description below to a free 14-day trial. So you can go ahead and follow this exact process on your own, watch the video, follow step by step, and do it all for free with a free trial. So the very first thing that we're going to do is add an app to the store so we can import the product. So we're going to go ahead and go to apps and then shop for apps. So now this is going to bring us to the Shopify App Store. And the first one that we're going to download is Oberlo, which is a free app right here. And this is going to allow us to import products from Aliexpress. So click the button to add the app. And once it loads here, all we need to do is click install app. This is the homepage for Oberlo. And as you can see, they have a quick start guide if you're interested in a tutorial. But to import products, we're going to come over here to the left-hand side of the screen and select import list. And then using this add products by URL button, we can import products directly from Aliexpress using the URL. So we're going to head over to Aliexpress and we're going to search for the product. And in this case, it's going to be the drill brush set. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the first one. And as you see, it has a 4.9 star rating, over 12,000 reviews. This is a pretty popular product. And we can get it for $8.18 with free shipping. And so if we're going to sell it at $39.99 like they were doing on Muscle Brush, we're going to make over a $20 profit. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link right here and come back over to Oberlo and paste it in just like that. Click add product. And now we can go ahead and start changing the title. So 3-piece brush attachment set. We can go ahead and update the description right now if we wanted to. Only has one variant, which is good, makes things easy. We can update the price. So we'll do $39.99. And just like they were doing the compared price right here, we'll make that $59.99. So doing that is going to create that strike through that we saw on their website. And images, we're going to go ahead and select the best images that we can find here. I don't like this one. I like this one. Let's see. I like the before and after images. All right, I think we're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and select import to store. Let it load. And now we're going to head back on over to Shopify. And we're going to click products. And here it is. So the product has been loaded into Shopify, and now we can begin building out this product page to make it look a little bit more attractive for when the customers land on it. And the very first thing that I am going to do is get rid of this piece. And I'm also going to add into the title that it's a drill brush attachment set. And be sure that you're always clicking save anytime you do any edits because you don't want to lose your work. So now we can go ahead and use our competitor's website for inspiration and motivation, but you should never copy things, directly. One, because, just shouldn't do that. And two, because we can probably do it better. So I created some copy that I'm going to add in really quickly. I just wrote it up in a Google Docs. Let me go ahead and paste it in right here. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to start out with the headline, let the drill brush do the work for you. These brushes are easy to use and are proven to save time. Simply attach them to your cordless drill and spare your hands and joints the pain of scrubbing. So let's go ahead and begin making this look a little bit more pretty. So this, I'm going to make it a bigger paragraph or a headline. So it's going to look like that. I'm going to go ahead and start bolding the main points here on the bullet points. Like so. We're going to do package includes, had to add that one in, the satisfaction guarantee as well. And I'm going to go ahead and click save. So now let's go ahead and check out what this product page is starting to look like. When we click preview here, we can see it looks pretty clean, just like the other page. I'm probably going to go ahead and get rid of a few of these images here. I'm going to implement them into the product copy instead. So the product page is looking pretty decent so far. Going to head back on over to the store. We're going to implement these photos right here. So insert photo, product images. I'm going to go ahead and do this one right up front. Insert image. We'll go ahead and center it like so. Going to go ahead and center this one as well. Perfect. Want to make sure all the spacing looks good. Now, before the package includes, I'm going to go ahead and add in one more image. I'll use this one this time. And again, I'll center this one as well. Make sure everything's spelled correctly. Shopify has a built-in tool that shows you when you spell things wrong. So things are starting to come together, looking good. Make sure the spacing looks good. All right, so now we'll go ahead and preview it one more time. 3-piece drill brush attachment set. We got some clean looking images. That looks good, looks great. So this product page is really starting to come together already. I'm gonna go ahead and start rearranging these images. I'm gonna move this one over here. These two images are exactly the same, so I'm gonna delete one. This might be a cleaner look on the website. Let me check this one, check it real quick. Okay, yeah, I like this here, how we have all the images lined up in a row instead of having one extra one down here. So now this is good to go. Come back over to the Shopify store. So now the next step that we're going to do is begin building out our actual store. Now that we have the product and product page ready to go, we can begin making the store look good. So to do that, we're going to click Online Store, and then we're going to go ahead and select Themes. And for this one product store, we're going to be using the Brooklyn theme. So go down and select Explore Free Themes, and we're going to select Brooklyn, which is right here, and select Add to Theme Library. Once it loads, we're going to publish it to our site, just like so. And now that theme is going to be live on our store. To begin customizing it, go ahead and select that button. We're going to start from a clean slate. So on the left-hand side of the screen over here, we're going to begin removing all of these sections, just like so. And last one. Okay, and click Save. And now we're going to begin by customizing the store from the top down. So we're going to start with this announcement bar. So we're going to go ahead and select the header. And we're going to do the same thing that they were doing on the other store. 33% off plus free shipping. Just like that. And now in the header, we can also add in our logo. So I quickly went ahead and created this logo using Canva. I think it's pretty simple. If you want, I can go ahead and create a video on creating logos for Shopify stores. Just go ahead and comment down below. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and add it in. And so now the very next section is going to be adding in this main menu right here. Now, as you can see, we're missing a few things. We're missing the Contact Us page to track your order, as well as the frequently asked questions. And if you look down here at the footer menu, we're also missing some of the legal pages that we're going to need to set up to run this store. So we're going to head back on over to our dashboard and begin setting up our pages. So the very first page that we are going to create is the Contact Us page. And that's very simple to do using Shopify. All you need to do is select the contact template, and it is done just like that. Now the next one that we're going to create is the frequently asked questions. And I'm going to copy and paste what I have in this Google Doc that I will also add to the description beneath the video. Save. And then I'm also going to create a shipping policy page. Again, I'm going to copy and paste what I have in the doc that I will be adding to the description beneath the video. Just like that. Okay, so now we have the 3 main pages set up. We're going to set up the track your order page a little bit later when we add that app to the store. To create the footer menu pages, we're going to have to go to settings and legal, and then we're just going to create them from the template, just like so, and click save. Now you're going to want to go through each one of these and put in your email where it asks you to, and also get rid of some of the extra stuff that you don't need. And they kind of do a good job of pointing out things that you don't need. Like, for example, right here, it says add other vendors, blah, 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 blah. You can just go ahead and delete that to be sure that these pages are up to speed. Okay, so now we're going to build out the navigation menus. Click navigation. Now the first one we're going to build out is our main menu. So we are going to add the contact us page. Click add. The next one we are going to do is a frequently asked questions. And that's good to go. Later on, like I said, we're going to do the track your order. So now for the footer menu, we will add in, first and foremost, the contact us page. And then we're going to do the shipping policy. And now we're going to add in the legal pages, which are down here. You select policies, and we'll add them in one at a time. So privacy policy, refund policy, and the terms of service. Just like so. I usually put the refund policy right underneath the shipping policy. I think that makes a little bit more sense. Click save. And now we have these menus ready to go. So we're going to head back over to the theme so we can continue customizing it. And as you can see here, we're starting to build out the website. It has the home page, the contact us page, the frequently asked questions, as well as all of our other pages that we just created down there in the footer. So now the next section that we are going to add will be the featured product. Again, this is going to be easy because we only have one product on the store. And click save. So now the site's beginning to come together here a little bit. We've added the product. It has the add to cart. It has the buy now, which is the express checkout option that makes it a lot easier for customers to buy. They can click full details and they'll be brought to the main product page. Now, one thing that we're missing here are the photo reviews that will go right beneath this product. And again, we're going to add those in alongside with the track your order once we download a couple apps. Now, the last section that we are going to add to this store is going to be the newsletter sign up. And it's going to be that simple. Now let's update the color scheme of the website. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and select theme settings and colors. Now, I'm not going to really change too much here. The main thing that I'm going to change is the background to the newsletter. And I'm going to make it this color, which is going to match $39.99 right there. One more thing I'm going to do is update the color pattern on the announcement bar. So to do that, we're going to head back to the header, select bar, and then choose that same color right there and click save. And now I'm not a big fan of the font style on this store. So to update that, we're going to go to theme settings and typography. And I have one in mind that I think is going to look pretty good on this site. Roboto. I'm going to select it right here. And I am going to select bold italic. And I'm going to select that same one for the first two. Roboto. And again, bold italic. Select. And for the last one, I'm going to do Roboto again, but I'm not going to do this one italic. Instead, I'm just going to do regular. Just like that. And click save. And so now I think this store is really starting to come together. And let's compare it to the one that we just looked at before, musclebrush.com. So we have the announcement bar, the header with our logo. We have the product. We have our newsletter, and then we have the footer menu. Scrolling over to Muscle Brush, as you can see, they have the same thing. Announcement bar, logo with the main menu, the product. We still need to add in the photo reviews. We'll do that here in a little bit. We'll add in the track your order page as well. And I also want to add in, hopefully we can do it too. I want to add in one more product, which will be the drill that we can use as an upsell to have hopefully get some more money anytime a customer goes to purchase. So let's head back on over to the Shopify App Store and begin downloading some of those apps to build out the rest of our store. And once we're done, we can see that we've collected 31 reviews. Now we're going to go into settings and do a couple cool things here. So display reviews, we're going to scroll down and we are going to add in this sidebar widget. This does a really great job at converting customers because it adds in a floating button on the side of your screen with a photo review when a customer views that product page. Another thing that we are going to do here really quickly is integrate Luke's into our theme. Just like that. And now we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and check out what it looks like on the actual store. So we can see right here we have 31 reviews. When we click full details, go to the actual product page, we can see all the reviews populate right here. And so now we are really starting to build a store that's actually starting to come together really nicely. So now the next app that we are going to add is going to be the one where customers will be able to track their orders. So again, we're going to head back on over to the Shopify App Store. And we're going to search for Tractor. As you can see here, it has a 4.8 star rating with over 600 reviews. Costs $8.99 per month and it has a free 14-day trial. So we're going to go ahead and add it to the store. Once it loads, we're going to click Install App. And then just follow the simple steps on the screen. And if you watched that short video, they showed you exactly how to integrate this app with the navigation menu, but let's go ahead and do it together anyway. So go to navigation, go to our main menu, and then we're going to click Add Menu Item, and we're going to name it Track Orders. And remember, for the link, we're going to do /apps/tractor/. And we're going to select that link right there, and then select Add. And I am probably going to, I'll leave it there, right there at the bottom, save. And now let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Gonna have to refresh it. And now let's go ahead and see what that looks like on our store. So right here at the main menu, you can see track orders. And when we click on it, it's very basic. Put in their order number, put in their email address, and then they could track it. And now if you would like, you can go ahead and customize this app and that landing page. For now, it's going to be the most basic version of it. So if you would like to edit it and switch some of these options around, you can do so. If you want to preview what the tracking page looks like, just click the preview button, and this is what it will look like. Pretty great. This is how you get happy customers and how you keep customers coming back and purchasing again and again. Now let's take the time to go back and add those photo reviews to the homepage. So we're going to go back to the Luke's app real quick. And we're going to go to reviews. And then one by one, we're going to have to choose which images we want to display on the homepage carousel. So go through, pick the images that you think look the best. I'm only going to do a few here for practice. And once you do that, we're going to head back on over to the theme and customize. And then on the left-hand side of the screen, click Add Section. Scroll down until you find the Luke's Carousel. Select. And then click Save. Or, okay, it gives you the option on the left-hand side of the screen, use all the photo reviews for the product. Let's try that. Click Save. And now I'm just going to move the reviews up above the newsletter like so. And one last thing I want to do here is I want to make my logo just a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and do that. Just like that. Perfect. And then click save. And we should be good to go. And now let's go ahead and add that upsell to the store. So I already went to Aliexpress and I found a drill that's going to work perfectly for these brushes. So we're going to go ahead and copy the link, and then we're going to head back over to Oberlo and paste it in just like we did to import the first product. Just like so. And so I'm just going to name it the 18-volt compatible electric drill. Now they have a few different variants, but I'm only going to sell the one that ships from China. So I'm just going to deselect the other ones. Now for product images, I'm going to add in the ones that I think look good. I'm going to take that off. Perfect. And then we'll import it to the store. And once it's done, all right, we'll go back over to the store now and we'll check out the product page real quick. And we're not going to really have to do too much here because it's just going to be an upsell. So customers are basically just going to see the product image at checkout. In the title, they're going to know that it's compatible. And, hopefully they make a purchase. If they don't already own a drill, then, this one will help them use the brush sets that we have. We'll price at $79.99, and then we'll do the compared price at $99.99 and save it just like that. So now we're going to go ahead and add in the upsell app. And we're going to search for upsell kit. It's this one right here. As you can see, it's only $8 per month, and they have a 30-day free trial. So we're going to go ahead and add it. And this app is going to pay for itself almost immediately. You get one purchase, and it's already paid for the whole month, and probably the next couple months at only $8 a day. All right, so now that it's downloaded, it's ready to go. We're going to click upselling, create new offer. We're going to select the trigger item, and that trigger item is going to be the brushes. That's going to be the main product that we're driving traffic to. So that's going to be the one that's going to trigger this upsell. Now we're going to add in the brush. And we're going to put this at 25% off. Now customers are going to see the discount at checkout. We're going to title it, "You may also need ... Add to cart. That looks good to go. And then we're just going to enable it right here. And then click create offer. Yes, enable. And it should be live on the store now. So let's go back and we'll preview the site. Go to the product page. Move it over here. Click add to cart. And now you see right here on the right side of the screen, anytime anybody adds this product to the cart, the drill will appear right underneath, 18-volt compatible electric drill, 25% off. And this is really going to help you increase your average order value. For those customers who come to the site and realize maybe they don't have a drill, they can't use the product, it's right here for them, and it looks like it's on a discount, $59.99. I believe that on Aliexpress this was about $30, so you'll be making about another $30 profit on the upsell alone. So having an upsell, especially one that goes with the product like this one does, is really going to help you drive profits for your store. So now let's go ahead and compare our finished store with the first one that we originally looked at. Scrolling through on the homepage, everything looks really clean, looks good to go. Checking out the product page here. The product page is well built out. Really good product description. We do a good job of utilizing images as well as the photo reviews. When we add it to cart, we have the upsell right there. This looks great. The track orders page, frequently asked questions, contact us homepage. We got a really good looking logo. I really like the way that this store came out. And comparing it to the original site, you see just how easy it is to build a high converting Shopify store using this exact strategy. But before you go, smash that like button beneath the video and please comment if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm here to help. And be sure to check out the description too, where I have all the resources for you that I laid out in the video that will help you build this high converting store yourself. So thanks for watching. Welcome to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.